All right, morning. This is the conclusion of an install of an absorption refrigerator, a Nordcold N8X series. There's a 7 and a 9, I believe. So what we did, we installed the internal and external fan kit. Let me show you what I did here. I showed you on another video, but this is the actual fan. It's a ball bearing style, not one of them little cheap computer fans. And this is your over temp switch, and it was working yesterday very good. I did a dry run on it, hooked up 12 volts down to the bottom and 120, as you can see right in there, right there. So now I'll show you something else. There's an internal fan. What I did, they recommend you put it down the drain tube, but I've seen a couple problems with them clogging because one, trash. I drilled through the insulation of the refrigerator. As long as you're above right here, this is all the absorption unit right here. From here to here is the absorption unit. So I drilled, let me show you, put it on pause. It's a 2-fan kit by Dutch Air by JC Refrigeration. There you go. But as you see, I put the wire right here. There's the drain tube they want you to stick it down in, all right? And I've seen problems in the past, so I brought the wire over, tied it into the shelf, and then I drilled a hole right there where you see it. All right, so I'll put you on pause. So right there. All right, and I filled it up with foam, so it's not losing any coolant. Remember, this is the line that's below the absorption unit. The absorption unit's right there. So it's 2 fans. There's a temperature sensor kit that you can order with it. One for the refrigerator. Put you on pause.